This is the last thing I got at the sale. It's a divided, and I love this, Standard Oil. So she's an oldie. Standard Oil divided fuel tank. As you can see, she's got a spot right down here in the middle. And it's small enough that I should be able to pick it up even when full with the backhoe. But the idea is to, build a stand for it, and then when you need to fill it, you pick it up, you set it in that old trailer over there, you go fill it, you bring it back. Yeah, it's Montana. We get away with stuff like that. Comes with 2 pumps. We all know that I need a pump. Both of the pumps appear to work just fine. So I believe I'm going to put this silver one, which is a nice locking pump, on the fuel tank trailer, at least for this year.
I got these 2 nails on this pallet wood.
Okay, whatever you do, why don't you just give me those nails? I'll just keep them in my pocket. I don't want those in the road. So I pulled the plugs, and she smells a little scummy, especially the gas side. So I'm going to need to flush it a bit with some mineral spirits or lacquer thinner, but that's not a big deal. No leaks, no dents. I wish it had forklift pockets cut out underneath of it, but I could always put those in myself. Yeah, nice Standard Oil. I know guys that would probably collect that if they were just a little bit better condition.